we are following the personal planets from the Sun to Mars. So the Sun and the Moon, a very special pair, and then Mercury, Venus and Mars. In progressions, these are the 5 planets that matter, that really make a difference, because progressions are a curious astrological technique whereby we are equating the day cycle, so what happens in one 24-hour period, one rotation of the Earth around its axis, which is presumably some sort of cycle which affects us directly. It's very vital for each one of us. And the cycle of the year, the rotation of the Earth around the Sun for 1 year. So we are equating 1 day with 1 year. How do we do that? I am currently 36 years old. And if I want to find out what my progressions are right now, this is going to be the so-called progressed chart. And I can cast that chart, I can calculate it. This will be the transiting chart, the real chart of the sky on the 36th day after my birth. So I just need to go somewhere on a software or one of those free websites where you can calculate charts and ask it to show me what was the state of the sky 36 days after my birth. And by that time, the slow planets, Jupiter to Pluto, would not have changed their positions very much from my birth. So I would find them almost in the same places where I had them in my birth chart, in the original stop motion chart. But the personal planets, and especially the Moon, would have changed their place significantly. Well, actually, the Sun, Mercury, Venus and Mars would have changed their place, but maybe not so significantly. They would have slightly changed their place. After 36 years, 36 days, they would all have moved to a new sign of the zodiac, and that's going to have made me adjust my relationship to the function of each one of those 4 planets in one way or another when we take a look at the chart. But the Moon is very different from them, because she is the only progressed planet and the only real planet that moves so fast and changes her position so fast in the background of everything else. So this is the main reason why the progressed Moon can be taken out as a separate factor, as a separate topic in astrology. And even though she participates in the context of the progress chart, in the context of many other things that I will shortly start mixing her with, she by herself is significant as an inner clock. And she can be followed because every next day after something or someone was born, she changes the position in sign every 2.5 days, and every month she has made a full circle through the whole chart and has acted as an imaginary activator of every single thing that you had in the chart, all the signs, all the planets, and all the houses in the chart.